Alright, we're up at the Burleigh Heads lookout up in the national park. It's absolutely pouring rain. I don't know if you get any view, but it is pouring and I'm getting out of there. Head back down. I'll go for a walk through the rainforest canopy for a bit. The visibility isn't very good. Swim a little bit. The waves are ripping into there. Nice view. It's worth coming up here. It's a bit of a walk up. Bottom track was closed because the rocks. Haven't seen any lizard today. Just keeping an eye out. Possibly snake in here. Just the tropics. Just keep my eye out from actually. Trees fall in the rain too. Not many people come up here in the wet. We'll just head back down. We're under floods at the moment, so I wanted to come up and have a look at the waves. Thought it'd be worth coming down here. It's hard to get a good picture in the pouring rain though. Anyway, so I'll go back the way I come. Head back. It's more scenic down this way. More scenery. I was only intending going on the bottom track, but they got temporary fencing that up to stop people. They also got the gates. They know people just walk around and climb around, so they put temporary fencing in as well, just to deter people from walking. But it's pretty dangerous because they, up the top, all the big boulders could easily come loose in the rain and they'd kill you. There's some huge boulders up the top. As you can see, there's rocks here. Aeroplane going, heading into Coolangatta, up above the rainforest there. It's easier to walk back down than walking up. It's quite steep actually. We'll get back onto the bottom track anyway. Might turn the camera off actually because it's getting pretty wet. We'll just go to the next bend. so that'll do it.